Alright, outside edge of the trim on the outside edge of the seal. Make sure it's lined up a little bit anyway for the first little while. Now to get it started, you just have to work the tip in underneath the seal and then just work it over. This is probably one of the hardest parts, is to get it started. The idea is to get that lip under the seal, or of the seal, over. Started. Once it gets started, it'll anchor the trim. This part is always tricky. And sorry. Okay. And then just gradually work it along, slow and steady. If you're going too fast, you run the risk of tearing the seal. Okay, when it starts to come up and over, then you can just push down on the trim, and you see how the seal just magically works its way over. And I've just got a piece of wood with some paper towel as padding just to press down on the trim. And then just keep a little bit of pressure on. And then to start, again, you kind of have to ease it under, find a spot without popping the trim out. Just need to get under there. See how it starts to lift? You want to try to avoid that. Do you want to come around to this side? Work towards you. Don't know if this is going to work. There we go. Get my light. Just got to get back under there. Probably better to work it here. There we go. And then just slowly work the tip in. This is where it typically catches. And I'm trying to do this left-handed, which isn't helping me. Okay, see how it's just, there we go. You see how the seal is being forced out. Just gradually, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. You said the more seal